Hello and welcome, Nate from Userlytics here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create a team and manage the roles within that team. Let's go ahead and jump in. First thing to note is that this is only going to be available if you have a multi-team account, which means that you have the box in the top left-hand corner that allows you to create teams and add users to those teams. So let's go ahead and do that. We're going to create a new team, add all your different info in there, add the team description, upload a photo if you would like. I would actually really recommend doing that. It adds a nice personalization to the platform, even if it's not necessarily someone's face. Okay, great. From here, we're going to add panel credits. Now, you don't have to do this initially if you don't want to, but if you want to allocate some of your unassigned credits to this team, you can go ahead and do that, knowing that other teams will not be able to use the credits here. And anyone who is not allocated to this team using either a creator or an admin permission level, they will also not be able to use credits, right? So any viewers or anyone who is not within this team will not be able to access the credits that are a part of this team. Great. Now from here, I can add team members. I can use team members that are already in here and go ahead and add them as maybe a viewer or a creator. Creator gives them the ability to use credits, add project folders, and also launch studies. I'll go ahead and click add to add them in. I can also change from here in case I just want to make one person a viewer and one a creator, and choose to notify those participants if I wish. From here, I'll select create, and that'll go ahead and create my team. Let's go ahead and jump into a team and kind of see what we can do from here. From here, I can see the different projects. Now, I don't actually have any projects in here, so let me actually jump out and go into this one, which does have some project folders. Great, I have all of my project folders in here with different studies. I can jump into these individually if I want to, but I'm actually going to go over here to the team settings. Team settings allow me to do a couple of different things. One, I can add or remove team members from this team. If you delete someone from here, that will not delete them from the platform. It will just remove them from this individual team. Note that you can have an individual user as a part of multiple teams if you wish, and you can also assign them different permission roles within different teams. So they can be a creator in one, but only viewing access in another. That's up to you. From here, I can, if I wish to, edit the team credits. So I can, again, if I am an admin of the platform, I can add credits to this team, take them away via the edit team credits. If I want, I can delete. But I can't delete a team if there are some studies that are running or paused, which this one does. So I will not be able to delete this team until I complete all of those studies. And lastly is just some team info. Again, you can go back in here and change the name and the photo and things like that. That is essentially how you're going to do it. Now, again, if you want to bulk edit team permissions, you can go ahead and do this in here. And then from here, you can select the different permission levels that people should have within this team. That's basically how you create a team and manage the different permissions and users within the Userlytics platform. If you have any questions, reach out to your Userlytics representative.